Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to drive exactly the same pass as last time. This time we will just be driving from the other side, which is supposed to be, well, not supposed, it is. The side is making way more fun because the ascent is way longer. And yeah, let's hope to have some fun. I've left quite a big gap to the cars in front so that we don't have any traffic like last time. And yeah, first of all, thank you very much for the support. I was never expecting to have already 2,000 views on my first ever YouTube video. So thank you very much for that. I've also read all your comments and will hopefully do some of your videos ideas. And yeah, let's have some fun. The car behind us is catching up, so let's start pushing a bit more, as this car is capable to do quite much actually. I mean, power-wise it's still stuck, as some of you asked in the last video. However, I did put on a different suspension. I put on a high-bar suspension, which makes the car handle way better. So yeah. Also, I've already seen some cyclists, so maybe around the blind corners I won't be pushing too hard. As you can see, there are quite a few. So ascent is starting. Some of you may remember the layout from the other video, this time just backwards obviously. I mean, listen to this sound. I mean, this car is so amazing. Also around the corners it's so capable, especially with the new suspension. The car behind us is also giving it quite some beans. But I mean, I won't be speeding too hard like last time because of Swiss laws. However, around the corners we shouldn't have a chance, as we have way more grip. Also, this is the X-Drive model, so we also have grip from out of the corners. Yeah, slowly pulling a gap from the car behind us. The car is super fun. It's also somewhat hot today, so tire grip is pretty good because of that. As you can see, we're already at the top. Let's slow down, go for the descent as 50 is done. There is a car in front of us. Let's see if we can maybe overtake it at a safe spot. Probably not. Also, last time I said there will be longer videos. However, I don't really have time today, and I plan to do a video every Thursday, so you can look forward to that. And yeah, therefore just this pass again, as it's the nearest pass to me. That does make fun with a lot of turns. So yeah, unfortunately for the ascent we have a car in front of us, which I probably can't overtake, which is sad, but still the ascent super fun. Once again, short video, and hopefully for the video in the 2 weeks I can give you a bit of a longer one. I'm going to drive to the Sattel-Egg Pass, which is also quite close to me. And yeah, you can definitely look forward to that. Once again, thank you all for the support. I will be doing, like one of you mentioned, a video in the dark / in the night. Maybe also a few with just sound without my commentary. And yeah, you can definitely look forward to that. Maybe in the future we'll also try to get a few different cars. However, that's quite difficult as a small creator, because right now there probably isn't anybody in the world that would give me his car. But let's see how we move forward, how this evolves. So yeah, pause is already done, like last time, short video. Thank you very much for looking, and have a nice day.